All right, so today I'm going to be talking about the copyright lesson evaluation, applying the Assure model. First, analyzing the learners. This presentation was designed for students in grades 9 through 12. The vocabulary may be advanced for ninth graders, but it can be simplified during the explanation. Success criteria is outlined at the beginning of the presentation, and students are expected to take notes during the presentation. The presentation is short and relates to the content to extracurricular activities that the students are likely engaged in. State goals and objectives. The learning objectives and success criteria are clearly outlined at the beginning of the presentation. Students should know what is expected of them, and they should be aware of what needs to be done to meet those expectations. Select methods and media. This presentation was produced using Google Slides and recorded with Screencast-O-Matic. The recording was then uploaded to YouTube and is accessible to anyone with a link. Utilize media and technology. Students are expected to complete an assessment in Canvas after viewing the presentation. Students may watch the presentation in a form of a YouTube video or download the slideshow to review the material independently. Require learner participation. Students were asked to take notes throughout the presentation. Additionally, students were required to complete the assessment through Canvas over the material. Lastly, students engaged in a class polls for hypothetical examples of fair use. Evaluate and revise the blended learning strategy. This lesson can be improved by providing a pretest to estimate prior knowledge. Additionally, group discussion, pairing, and sharing could be integrated into the lesson. And students may also prefer playing a trivia game opposed to taking an assessment.